That's me, the girl with way too many journals, more stickers than she ever used, and a habit of turning every little moment into a melody. Hi, I'm Harpreet, and this is my little world. A world filled with paper scraps and color pages. Some people collect things, but I collect memories. And this summer, I'm choosing to slow down, create more, and find magic in the little moments. So come along, pick up a journal, and turn ordinary days into memories you will want to keep forever. Let's make this summer a beautiful story, one page at a time. Hi, buddies. Welcome to the most exciting part of this summer. If you love journals, creativity, handmade crafts, and turning simple things into something beautiful, then you are absolutely in the right place. For the next few days, we are going to create, imagine, experiment, and make something special together. This is something I have been planning for quite some time, and I am so excited that it's finally here. This is not just a series of videos. This is our summer journal camp. A place where creativity has no rules, where simple materials become beautiful journals, and where every day brings a brand new surprise. And here's the best part. We are not going to buy any ready-made journals or use expensive notebooks. Instead, we are going to create everything from scratch with our own hands. Now, I'm not going to tell you all the journal styles we will be making. Every day will be a surprise, so make sure you come back each day to see what we are creating next. And before we begin, I have a huge surprise for you. Everything we create during these 5 days will be given away to you. That's right, 5 handmade journals, 5 lucky winners. Once I finish creating these journals on YouTube, I'll be decorating and filling their pages on Instagram. So if you want to see exactly what the winner will receive, make sure you are following me there as well. Now let's quickly go through the giveaway rules. Number 1. Watch each day's summer journal camp video and leave a comment telling me what you like most about today's video. And in the same comment, tell me why would you love to receive today's journal. Next, follow me on Instagram and watch the journal spreads and page reveals that I'll be sharing there. Show some love on those Instagram posts and let me know which pages or details you enjoyed the most. If you are selected as a winner, I'll contact you through Instagram to collect your details and send you journal. Now that's enough talking. I want this camp to be a place where we create together, inspire each other, and celebrate our love for journaling and handmade creativity. So grab your supplies, get comfortable, and let's officially begin our summer journal camp. And make sure you stay until the end because today's journal has some beautiful details that I can't wait to show you. So are you ready? Let's go! Alright, so for today's project, I have these 3 A4 size sheets with me. As you can see, 2 of them are colored and 1 is simple white sheet. Okay, so I'm going to use the white sheet because it's something that's easily available to most people. So let's get started. First, take your sheet and fold it in half lengthwise. And now fold it in half again. Now open it and fold it again from this side and from this side. Take your time with folds because neat folds will make your journal look much cleaner in the end. Now open the sheet again and cut it from here. Before I start cutting, I am placing another sheet underneath my paper. This helps protect the table from scratches and keeps everything safe. So I'm using this cutter. And if you are a child or not comfortable using a cutter, please ask an elder to help you with this step. Safety always comes first. Now comes the magical part. Now again fold the paper and I'm going to gently squeeze the paper from both sides and fold it inward. And just like magic, our flat sheets start turning into a real little journal. Look at this. A single sheet of paper has transformed into a tiny handmade zine. Alright, so let's decorate it with these mini sheets. I'm simply going to cut and paste them onto the journal to give each page a little personality and make it look more interesting. You can use whatever decorative papers or supplies you have available. There is no right or wrong way to do this part, so feel free to be creative and make it your own. Now, while I'm decorating these pages, let me tell you a little bit about Zine. A zine is a small handmade journal or booklet that people use to express their creativity, idea, memories, stories, or so much more. And that's exactly why I choose a zine for the first day of our summer journal camp. And now, our little zine is finally ready. Just look at this. It's hard to believe that this started as a single A4 sheet of paper. Now it has turned into a cute little journal with its own pages, its own personality, and so many possibilities. And here's another amazing thing about this zine. You can actually use it both sides. One of my favorite things about making journals by hand is that every fold, every cut, and every decoration makes it feel more personal. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed making this zine with me and had as much fun creating it as I did. And don't forget, this very journal will be going to one lucky winner. So if you would like a chance to receive it, make sure you follow the giveaway rules, leave your comment below and let me know what you liked most about today's journal and why would you love to have it. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram because I'll be decorating and filling the inside pages there, and that's where you will get to see complete journey of this journal. Thank you so much for spending part of your day with me. This is only the beginning of our summer journal camp, and I have more surprise journals waiting for you over the next few days. So keep creating, keep smiling, and I'll see you very soon in the next video. Until then, take care of yourself, enjoy your summer, and don't forget to make a little time for creativity every day. Okay, bye everyone.